Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up and connect your Odoo database with DearERP, step by step from creating your Odoo.com account to entering your credentials in DearERP. This is the official beginner-friendly setup process, crystal clear, easy to follow, and without skipping a single step. So if you are new to Dear ERP or Odoo, this video is the perfect place to start. By the end of this tutorial, Dear ERP will be fully connected and ready to execute tasks, configure modules, and automate your entire Odoo workflow. For starting, create a new email if you want a fresh Odoo account. Keep it ready for login. So now we have to move into the odoo.com here. So I'm moving into the odoo.com for creating the new database here. Create new database. Simply moving with one module here. Continue. Website name. DU3. Or website 3. Start now. Once I click on the start now button, it will take time to create the our odoo.com now. Basically it is building the website, so it is taking time. So once it's getting created here, so I'll skip. Our odoo.com is created, website 3.1 like this name. So I'll move into the landing page. If you see here, there is only 2 modules are available. So now we have to move into the DearERP. So if you haven't logged in this, you have to log in. I already logged in here in this. Now I'll move into the creating new project. So click on new project, edu3. So URL, so whatever we have created the new one here, this URL only we have to paste in this Odoo URL. In database, we have to choose this one, admin user and password. If you don't know your password, simply you have to move into the settings. In settings, we have to activate the developer mode. So it is already activated here. Developer mode is active now. So what we have to do for next, we have to move into the manage users. In manage users, I have to move in this. There is a gear icon. In this gear icon, I'll click on the change password. In this, I am moving with writing the password. So simply click on the change password. It is taking time. Our password is ready. Now I have to simply log in using that password. Once I click on login button, we have logged in this. So now what we have to do, we have to move into the our DearERP and give the credentials accordingly. So I am giving the credentials. So click on test and save. So basically what it does, when I clicking on testing connection, it will simply
validate the connection instantly. So once it will take time and everything get proceed, so then we are fully connected and ready to use the DearERP. So we can install the modules and many more things we can do here. I click on the new chat, so we can install the modules, create the records and automate the workflows and many more things we can do. So as we checked previously, now I'm going to check by this open Odoo. So you see here there is only 2-3 modules are available. There is no CRM and sales. So now I'll simply instruct to this tool install the CRM. It is in read only mode, so we have to instruct to this tool install the CRM and make sure which mode you are in, because it is perform the task and perform any activity in the write mode only. In read mode it only read the instruction and give the data, so make sure it has to in write mode. So I'm installing the CRM. Through these instructions we'll see how it will be configured and install the CRM. It will take some time, then install it. Amazing. Now it is stating here CRM module successfully installed. So we have to check is it installed or not. So I'm clicking here. Either I can go by this open Odoo or we can move whatever we have previously moved. So simply I'll refresh the page, then we'll see it is installed or not. CRM, it is installed. So once we click in the CRM, there is no leads. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to simply instruct create the leads in my CRM, leads of different companies. Okay, so let's see how it will be create all those leads in write mode only. Now it is successfully created the 10 leads in the CRM. So we'll check. Simply I'm refreshing CRM. Amazing, 10 leads are there. So whatever we have created till now, we have used the write mode. Now the time to understand the read mode also. So I want to know how many leads are there in my CRM. So give me count and names only. So we'll check. It is in currently in write mode. So simply I have to disable the write mode, move into the read mode. I'm moving with this instruction here. Let's see. Amazing. It is actually read the 10 leads and given all its names as well. So this is also perfect. So what we have learned in this tutorial. So what actually done here, project is created. So simply it is read this URL and through this database name and all these credentials, it will check our connection when we click on the test and save. So we have to connect this instance through all these instructions, and then we can use the our DearERP because it will be get connected to the Odoo, and we have understood the how to use the DearERP in write and read mode. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe and comment for this video.